Hi everyone. I am Espin Sarah. I will be your host for this presentation. It is my pleasure to be at your service. The topic of this webinar is Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Product Overview. From this webinar, you will be explained about what is Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform? Why Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform? The features and benefits of Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Deployment Option. And lastly, the IT ecosystem support provided by Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform. Without further ado, let's get started. What is Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform? Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform is an enterprise IT automation solution that includes everything needed to build, deploy, and manage end-to-end automation at scale. Built on the foundation provided by Red Hat Enterprise Linux and Red Hat OpenShift, Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform enables organization, from development and operations to security and network teams, to create, manage, and scale their automation workloads. Automation means reducing cost, lowering risk of failures, increasing reliability and productivity. Therefore, why Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform? Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform is specifically designed with capabilities that help organizations accelerate. The Ansible's massive open-source community and pre-built content collections of the most used Ansible roles and modules enables you to rapidly get started. Codify your infrastructure and share across teams and individuals where you are already running deployments, whether on-premise or in the cloud. Orchestrate. You can easily transfer your automation into multiple domains and across different use cases. Stakeholders across developer, operator, and line of business teams can now engage with Ansible Automation Platform in the most suitable way and sensible for their individual roles without slowing development time. Innovate. Analytics, policy and governance, and content management enhance your automation. Ansible Automation Platform tools make day-to-day life more efficient, allowing you to solve problems once and share the results with everyone. The outcomes of Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform include: standardize and unify automation. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform lets you standardize automation, allows flexibility with resources by automating provisioning for cloud providers, storage solutions, and infrastructure components, makes network management more consistent, and enables faster security patching and remediation. Automate application deployments. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform lets developers to set up automation to provision, deploy, and manage compute infrastructure across environments, deploy multi-tier applications reliably and consistently, all from one common framework. Use Ansible playbooks to configure needed services and push application artifacts, as well as move software between testing and production environments more quickly by automating processes. Deliver automated IT infrastructure. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform helps automate infrastructure provisioning and orchestration, update and patch systems, install software, and onboard users. Red Hat Insights lets you get real-time job status updates and monitor and resolve issues across your infrastructure. With Automation Analytics, you can measure business impact and understand which automation jobs are running successfully and where. What are the features and benefits of Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform? 1. Ansible Core. Ansible Automation Platform is aligned with the global community behind the Ansible project, with added foundational capabilities and assurance from Red Hat that help your business comfortably adopt organization-wide automation at any scale. 2. Automation Controller. Automation Controller is the control plane for Ansible Automation Platform. Formerly called Ansible Tower, Automation Controller incorporates user interface, UI, role-based access control, RBAC, workflows, and CI/CD to help your team scale. Automation Controller helps standardize how automation is deployed, initiated, delegated, and audited, as well as manage inventory, launch and schedule workflows, track changes, and integrate into reporting, all from a centralized user interface and RESTful API. 3. Automation execution environments. Automation execution environments is packaged as containers. As a component that replaces Ansible engine, automation execution environments give defined, consistent, and portable environments for executing Ansible playbooks and roles. Execution environments offer a simple, flexible way to build, reuse, and scale automation content. 4. Ansible Content Collections. Ansible Content Collections functions to assist Ansible content creators and developers to get automation up and running faster. Certified Ansible content collections are backed by Red Hat and a robust partner ecosystem which are trusted with flexible automation content building blocks for a variety of use cases. 5. Automation Mesh. Automation Mesh provides a simple, flexible, and reliable way to scale automation of large inventories across diverse network topologies, platforms, and teams. Automation Mesh facilitates resilience and fault tolerance, while providing enhanced security to standardize and normalize automation across your entire IT estate. The Topology Viewer feature allows users to graphically visualize even the most complex automation topologies across multiple sites including hop, execution, hybrid, and control nodes. 6. Ansible Content Tools. Ansible Automation Platform enables seamless creation experience with Ansible Content Tools. The tools include Execution Environment Builder, or Ansible Builder, a command line tool that utilizes Podman to help build Ansible environments into containers. This tool lets automation creators and operators build custom execution environments with the exact Ansible content required for their automation. Automation Content Navigator or Ansible Navigator provides a top-level platform interface, through CLI or TUI, for Ansible automation creators. It offers a more cohesive, consistent, and predictable top-level automation content creation experience designed to help the enterprise Ansible developer. Ansible Lint, a command line tool that further improves the content creation experience through promoting proven practices, patterns, and behaviors. At the same time, it avoids common pitfalls that could lead to bugs or creating code that is harder to maintain. 7. Automation Analytics and Red Hat Insights for Ansible Automation Platform. Firstly, Automation Analytics is a suite of dashboards that helps IT leaders and automation architects to observe the team's performance in adopting automation and track the success of those efforts. It enables the teams to plan and scale more effectively by measuring automation return of investment, ROI, and estimating the time and cost saving of the future project. Secondly, Automation Services Catalog Red Hat Insights for Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform enables users to visualize and assess the status of Ansible managed infrastructure, whether that is a single cluster or multiple clusters. As a result, IT teams are able to monitor and proactively respond to IT infrastructure performance, system availability, and security vulnerabilities, thus reduce compliance risks, security threats, and potential downtime. 8. Automation Hub. Automation Hub is the place for Ansible Automation Platform customers to quickly find, use, and extend content that is supported by Red Hat and its technology partners, for additional reassurance for the most demanding environments. Private Automation Hub is also available, and offers customers a container image repository of their execution environments as an on-premise instance of automation. 9. Automation Services Catalog. Automation Services Catalog extends self-service automation to business users and developers. With this feature, IT teams no longer needed to manage manual, repetitive requests and approvals for system access or other resources. It enables automation content to be distributed across teams, applying appropriate policy and governance to meet compliance and procurement requirements. There are various options to deploy Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform are available as a managed and self-managed application. For managed option, there is Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform on Microsoft Azure where it is hosted in your Azure cloud. For self-managed option, Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform is available via the AWS Marketplace or Google Cloud, where the platform will be hosted in your AWS Cloud or Google Cloud respectively. These options run on your cloud. However, the self-managed option also offers for on-premise deployment. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform supports a variety of platforms across servers, clouds, networks, and containers to enable your automation journey. For operating systems and virtualization, there are Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Windows, and Windows Server as well as VMware. For networks, the support include Arista, Cisco, F5, Infoblox, Juniper, Dell/EMC, Aruba, A10 and more. For cloud, there are Cloud Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, Red Hat OpenStack Platform. For DevOps tools, the support are Atlassian, Checkpoint, CyberArk, Datadog, IBM, and Splunk. In terms of security, there are Cisco ASA, Checkpoint, CyberArk, Fortinet, Splunk, IBM Resilient and Cradar. And finally for IT service management, there is ServiceNow. As we finally reaches the end, here are the key takeaways from this presentation. 1. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform is an enterprise IT automation solution that enables organizations to build, deploy, and manage end-to-end automation at scale. 2. Automation with Red Hat Ansible reduces costs, lowers the risk of failures, and increases reliability and productivity. 3. The platform enables organizations to accelerate automation, orchestrate automation across multiple domains, and innovate with analytics, policy and governance, and content management. 4. The outcomes of Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform include standardized and unified automation, automated application deployments, and automated IT infrastructure. 5. The platform's key features include Ansible Core, Automation Controller, Automation Execution Environments, Ansible Content Collections, Automation Mesh, Ansible Content Tools, and Automation Analytics and Red Hat Insights for Ansible Automation Platform. 6. The benefits of Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform include simplification of automation deployment, delegation, and auditing, as well as monitoring and resolution of issues across the infrastructure. Thank you for joining and listening to our presentation. For inquiries, feel free to email us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again.